Hello and welcome back to Smart Finance with Yemi Oseni. Today, we're diving into 5 money lessons you must learn before it's too late. These lessons separate the wealthy from the struggling, and if you apply them, 2025 could be the year you transform your finances. Lesson number 1: pay yourself first before bills or spending. Save and invest at least 10 to 20%. Lesson number 2: time is the greatest asset. The earlier you invest, the more compounding works in your favor. Lesson number 3: habits build wealth, not luck. Daily discipline in budgeting, saving, and investing leads to long-term success. Lesson number 4: debt is a trap. Use debt only for building assets, never for funding lifestyle. Lesson number 5: think long-term. Act today. Wealth is not built overnight, but every smart choice today shapes your financial future. White right pointing backhand index. Learn these lessons, live by them, and your financial life will change forever. If you found this valuable, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs these lessons. This is Yemi Oseni, reminding you, think smart, grow smart.